Dragon boat races are held all over China. Not all the races went well. One boat just won't go straight. Sometimes you see bizarre things like this. As if I am still rowing, then I am still in the race, right? Until everything is over. Actually going straight is very hard with such long and narrow boat, as well as remain balanced. But to the audience, it's fun to watch. Probably that's why it's the biggest uncommercialized national annual event in China. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I see you next time.